We all know that Oprah likes spending money. After all, the 300 car giveaways to all audience members on her TV show are the biggest testament to that. But when it comes to herself, how much is this media mogul willing to spend? How much will she shell out for her permanent residence? Her safe haven, i.e. her home? $1 million? $5 million? $10 million? Or something more than that? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to Grand Luxury and another awesome video about Oprah. For today's topic, we are going to explore Oprah Winfrey's most expensive house. We were astonished by this property when we briefly touched upon it in our related video, How Oprah Spends Her Billions, which by the way is another must-see video of ours that you must also watch. If you've heard of Oprah before, what inspires you most about her? Do you have a similar story going from rags to riches? Please share in the comments below, as we want to hear about it. Now let's get giddy with envy. While many billionaires easily forget where they came from once they are flying high in the sky, Oprah is different and not one of them. She has remained close to her roots, being humble about her success, and constantly shows the world about her generosity and humility towards others with her billions. One thing that is extremely important to Oprah is the African American representation, and considering that she is the first black female billionaire, she likes being an inspiration to all young black people in particular, the ideal role model she truly sets out to be. This is why it comes as no surprise that her most expensive property and her main base is called the Promised Land. The title alludes to the Promised Land, which Martin Luther King mentioned in his speech, a land where everyone could be free. While he probably didn't mean Oprah's house, I'm sure he wouldn't have minded staying there or giving her credit for what she has accomplished. Oprah's house is meant to be the same safe haven, far from the Mississippi wood frame house she grew up in. Not only is it a glaring representation of her success for all her haters, but it is also a revolutionary symbol proving that black people can now achieve this too. Located in the expensive town of Montecito, California, this house and location has its own rags to riches story. Back in the day, Montecito was considered a dangerous place with bandits roaming around the oak trees and the gullies. Anybody who traveled to the area stood no chance against them. But thankfully, fast forward 150 years, it has now become one of the wealthiest areas in America and a haven for numerous celebrities and high profilers. Nowadays, there are multiple reasons one would want a house in Montecito, and the first of which is it's a royal area. You heard me, this place hosts the legendary Prince Harry, who might not officially be a royal anymore, but obviously still has that royal blood. While Oprah came into this neighborhood long before Harry and Meghan, it seems that their proximity brought them closer and led to that bombshell interview that's exposed the royal family's antics. Not just that, but this place is a picturesque neighborhood, perfect for hiking and Instagram-worthy pictures. The landscape doesn't allow urban sprawl, and there's a sense of privacy that all celebs desperately need. Hearing all this, you might be thinking, is this heaven on earth? Sorry to burst your bubble, but nope. There are some downsides as well living in these mountains. The biggest thing, well, those crazy wildfires you've heard of. But it seems like Oprah could care less, as this woman has taken some well-calculated risks throughout her life, and choosing Montecito as her neighborhood is just one of them. Speaking of well-calculated risks, Oprah's house wasn't bought as it is now in full. In fact, Oprah bought this huge estate in portions. The journey to the Promised Land started in 2001, when Oprah was invited to a party in Montecito. When she set foot in her to-be-future 23,000 square foot home on its 42-acre estate, it was love at first sight. And once Oprah's in love, nothing can stand between her and her epic love story. She managed to persuade the owners of the house, Robert and MARLENE VELOZ, to sell up, even though they weren't planning on it. But when they saw the $52 million check, they couldn't help but accept the offer. So guys, we're at about the halfway point again. The next section is going to take a deep dive into this beautiful mansion, so make sure to stay tuned all the way until the end. If some of this stuff is interesting to you, please subscribe to our channel so you can join us on our journey as we try to bring you exciting topics every week. So what's next, you ask? Well, in the coming years, Oprah kept snagging other nearby properties and kept adding them to her spoils of war until she finally accumulated some 70 acres to her name. Today, this 70-acre estate is worth more than $100 million and is everything a safe haven should be. The entire estate is surrounded by trees upon trees, and if you were invited in, it would feel like you're entering an enchanted forest. The place is a fairy tale. The Neo-Gregorian-style house gives it an ancient castle-like look where a queen would reside. The backyard, where your Great Gatsby deja vu come in. Inside this place, you get 6 bedrooms plus 14 bathrooms, which is more than enough for Oprah and her long-term boyfriend, Stedman Graham. To complement her warm personality, Oprah's house has 10 fireplaces as well, and of course, a gourmet kitchen to whip up some incredible foods. When the media mogul gets bored, she can watch her own shows in any one of her numerous theaters, inside and out. It's her pick. The wine cellar and barn comes in handy for some luxurious parties, and the ponds and the orchards make you wonder if heaven is real. The tennis court, man-made lake with koi fish, and outdoor entertainment area make sure that you never get bored even in the midst of a pandemic. Since Oprah likes hosting people, it's no wonder there's even a separate 2-bedroom guest house as well featuring its own pool. This place is big, some 4,000 square feet big. How we all wish we had Oprah as our friend. The cherry on top of all this is the tea house, where Oprah sips away when she wants some time away from the world, although we're not really sure what she wants to escape from. Her expansive success? The fame? The money? Who knows? Just like an iPhone, the interior of her house is constantly in update mode, and she's always renovating little things to keep her life exciting, and obviously, she has the money for such projects all the time. She likes changing up the furniture, the wallpapers, or sometimes the entire interior design of a particular room. Each section of the house has been beautifully and lovingly decorated over the years, and Oprah loves showing it off on her Instagram. And get this is also the place she runs her business empire from. While the entire house is beloved to her, the kitchen is like the heart of it all, and it's the place where everyone can unite together, kick back, and enjoy a cozy night together. The kitchen used to have a pizza oven, and it seems like Oprah likes store-bought pizza way more because she had the oven removed to free up space. While Oprah is very different from most celebrities, the one thing she has in common with them is that her walk-in closet is extremely beloved to her. Considering that even now she's still put under the spotlight, the successful star has to look the part. And that concludes the video on Oprah's expensive and luxurious house. What do you think about it? Yay or nay? Let us know in the comments below. Before you leave, please make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe icon, and turn on the notification bell to all so you never miss an upload from us. Please, if you like this video, share this video with your family and with your friends. We aim to bring you 3 great videos every single week, so stay tuned for the next one, guys. Until then, make sure to check out our channel and browse our other great content, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.